Hello and welcome to The Honest Guitarist. My name is David and we're conducting a rather forensic analysis of this arrangement of It Could Happen to You. And if you had watched the first episode, we were looking at the family of dominants suggested by G sharp diminished 7. As we moved from the 1 chord over to the 4 chord, we're considering A minor 7 to be C6, the 4 chord. And we discovered that one of the family of dominants, E7, was the secondary dominant to A minor. And we moved back rhythmically from that to the B half diminished. And from that, C13. So you can refer to the first episode on the explanation for this. But now we find ourselves at the 4 chord, moving back to the 1 chord. And here the arranger has suggested an inversion of the 1 chord. It looks like he or she is looking for a different sounding 1 chord, so we're going to take that as a hint to approach this slightly different. We're going to put in a diatonic substitute, B minor 7. Now B minor 7 spells G major 9 with no root. And we can use this. It is a diatonic substitute chord. The 3 minor 7 chord equals a 1 major 9. And our approach is going to be through the same family of dominants that we found in the first or second measure. So if we look for the secondary dominant found on the 5th of B minor, we're going to get F sharp 7. And backing up from that, we're going to use its relative minor, C sharp minor 7. And we flat the 5. When we make this movement to the minor chord, we flat the 5. So once again, just as in the second measure, we're going to have, suggested by the B flat diminished 7, we're going to get C sharp half diminished, moving to the secondary dominant to B minor. Now it looks as though the arranger here has discovered our harmonic movement. We're going to make this C13 just as we did here in the first measure. And over here, what we're going to do is, we had this, we're going to approach this we're going to use B7's tritone chord. Now that would be F, F7. In fact, we'll make it F9. So right in here, we'll take out this chord, and we'll make this F9 to E9. And now we find ourselves at this secondary dominant back to our 4 chord. So I'll put in the voicings that I like to use here. But basically it's the same movement back to the 1 chord, or the diatonic substitute, that we used here in the first 2 measures. So thanks for listening, and stand by. There's a lot more locked up inside this arrangement. Okay, until next time.